What's up, YouTube? Just got some new gear in for riding season. Well, a new jacket, I should say. This is the Alpinestars Missile Leather Jacket. It's the Tech Air race. The Tech Air, meaning that it's compatible with the airbag vest. Right here. You can see that. Full leather. I guess it's like some textile material right here, stretchy material. See here, Tech Air compatible. Comes with a little lantern here. I'll show you the back of it. Back. So you have that on back there for back protection. One of the bad things about this jacket, yes, is it's kind of expensive. But I mean, with the leather Alpinestars jacket, you expect that. But it doesn't come with front or back protection. Other than that race hump in the back, there's no actual like back protection. It's pretty much just a lining inside. So you gotta pay extra for it. Let's see back here. You got the chest protection. This is the KR-CI chest protector. Here, you can see it. Just goes in the front like that. I'll show you guys how to install that if you may not know. And this may be your first Alpinestars jacket, so I know they hook up differently. I don't see just like pockets on the inside. And also, back protector. You have to purchase separately also. So chest and back protector are sold separately. You have to buy those separate from the jacket in addition to the jacket. So here's some specs on that right here. And this is the KR2I CE level 2. So it's pretty flexible. So I'll say pretty good product. I do not want to test it, so let's hope we don't have to test it. But yeah, so I'm gonna take this jacket off of here and insert the back and chest protectors. Show you guys how to do that in 1 second. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, here's the inside the jacket here. We have a waterproof component. So you put your phone or wallet in here. And this side you have another. It's not waterproof actually. It's just another component right here. And then you have the connection for the airbag vest. I do not have that yet, so I'll do a video separately on that. Looks like connected there and here. Once I get that, I'll do another video on that. But you see the zipper right here, which I just zipped back. You just unzip this here. Here you can see underneath the lining here, like so. You see there's a pouch here, and then if you look, over here, I'm guessing inside here, this is my first time doing this too, so inside here on this side should be pockets for the chest. The back one's right here though, I can see that for sure. So we could do is crack it open and slide this stuff in. Alright, so grab the back protector. So it goes this way. This side should be facing this side outwards, inwards. Here. So there's a little pocket in here. Right there, where it says warning. Yep, that's where it slides in at. Alright, yep, that should be big enough. So I'm gonna put the camera down and slide it in here. Okay guys, as you see, it's in there. Right in there like that. Snug. So now that's fine. Got these chest protectors. Should be in the same compartment but up here somewhere. Let me feel around and see where it's at. Okay guys, there's a, you just slide your hand up in here, you'll feel another pocket right here. See if it's labeled. It's not labeled anything, but you'll feel there's a pocket behind the liner underneath the zipper right here. So that, the most important part is to make sure you got the correct side on here. This is obviously the left side, and it's actually labeled too right here. So you guys can see that right there, where it says left, right there. Up there. Right here it says left. So, and it goes this way, because remember you're putting the jacket, it'll flip that way. So, slide that on in here. Ah, just lost the pocket. Okay, maybe we'll set that again. That one's in. Right hand side. This one's labeled right. Find the same compartment up in here. The zipper here. Alright guys, like I said, you slide your hand up in here, you'll find there's one hitting behind the ladder here, so on both sides. So that's how you do that. You can close this. Like I said before, I do not have the airbag vest yet, but once I get out, I'll do a video of that and install that too. So there's the back protector, that's in. Chest protector's in. Alright, so the size I got, 54 Euro, it's a 44 USA. I guess it's more like a, what is that? I guess like a large, extra large, USA terms, sizing. I did get the medium large at first, but it was a little too tight. I'm about 6 foot 2 inches, 175 pounds. And yeah, the 54 fits better. I have really long arms too, so. And it fits just fine. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys what it looks like with all the padding in. And I got some video of me with it on without the padding in, so to see if you see a difference or not. So, alright, let's get this thing on. Let's go. What's up YouTube? Out here testing out the new Alpinestars jacket. See how it is. It definitely needs to be broken in. As you've seen in the install video, I installed the chest and back protector. So definitely gotta get used to that. And the jacket also has to break in. So the only way to break it in is to wear it. So it's definitely lightweight, and I feel the ear whenever I'm riding. I feel the ear, even through the chest of the jacket, and the chest protector actually still emits a lot of air too. So I can see myself still wearing this when it's hot. I don't know about the 100-degree days, because it does get hot here. It gets super hot here. So I feel the air. One thing I do notice that I have to like lift my neck up to look over. Could be the just having the GoPro too, because it seemed like the shoulder pads are really high, so I had to like lift my neck to look over. So that's something to get used to also. That one. Yeah, so I feel the air. The only complaints right now that I have to get used to is when I do a look over, like my helmet kind of hits the shoulder pads a little bit. But it could be the ride position that I'm in the Streetfighter. This is the jacket is designed for racing, so I'm gonna get used to. The jacket is lightweight, emits a lot of air. I like it so far. Only downgrade, like I said, about it, so you have to buy the protection separately. With the jacket being expensive as it is, just come with that already, at least some level. And then if you want to upgrade to a higher level CE armor, then you can do that yourself. You know what I mean? So I've had cheaper jackets in the past to come with some type of protection, back and chest protection already included. So, but it's one of those things I guess that's how they cut costs, because the jacket could easily be a $1,000 jacket versus I think I paid I think the MSRP for it is like $600. So, and the protection wasn't all that expensive. I think the back was about $69 and the chest was $39.99, something like that. So, yeah. All right, so I'm out here trying to fight traffic. So, talk to you guys on the next one. All right.